Let me tat. Why can't I pull on my necklace? It makes me feel comfortable.
You look very nervous.
I am nervous.
Okay, that's fine. Karen, just give you my criticism here. Everything else is very good. You look beautiful.
Okay, well, first of all, if I don't look nervous, then obviously I will be faking it right now. I am nervous, and people need to know that I'm nervous. I'm nervous, y'all. I'm nervous. I don't know why. Anyway, okay, can we just get back to my hair? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute and a half because I've been gone for a bit. Please stop smiling at me. I actually need Darren to stand behind the camera, so it just makes it less awkward for me talking to the camera.
Hello.
But
I think I just saw my hair there.
Because I almost feel like whenever I do a video or anything like that, my accent changes. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of all the other YouTube videos I watch. I watch a lot of UK bloggers. So as soon as I start talking to the camera, my accent's like, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So now I'm just like, Darren, please stand in front of me so I can just be myself. Anyway, okay, so right, I've been gone for a while because I had some technical issues with the editing app I was using to edit my videos, but I have moved back over to iMovie because it's just so much easier and I've worked on it before. So today I want to specifically show you how I do my hair, because I've had a lot of people ask me on Instagram. I got this question from someone after I started using Auntie Jackie's or Aunt Jackie's. Aunt Jackie's, not Auntie Jackie's, Aunt Jackie's. After I started using Aunt Jackie's, and she really wanted me to show her how I do my hair, so I thought, okay, I'll just pop a video on YouTube. She asked me this about 2-3 months ago, so I am a little bit delayed, but I'm here finally. So first of all, so because today's a beautiful day outside, it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. It's Father's Day, the sun's shining, it's 20 here in Cape Town, so I've got like my t-shirt dress on because it feels like a really like a early spring kind of vibes, spring day. So today I'm leaving my hair all curly because I wet it, and I don't get to wear my hair curly a lot in winter because I'm scared of getting sick, you know, and wet hair and the cold, they don't go together. So today will be my curly hair day, and I just want to show you guys how I create this look. So basically what I did is I just gave my hair a nice wash now in the shower, and I've just left it in the towel. And what I did was I used a little bit of a mask just to put some moisture back into the hair. It's the Dove Nourishing Oil Care. I use a lot of Dove products. I know you guys will know that because I post about it on Instagram, and I post about it on YouTube and Facebook and Twitter and all the platforms, and I always talk about Dove. Okay, anyway, right, I love Dove. So I used this just for about 3 minutes. I left it on, I washed it out, and when I washed it out, I rinsed it out. So as you can see, my hair is all nice and moist. And not, okay, I've got very frizzy hair, so there is a little bit of frizz still left, but okay. So I brush my hair before I wash it because I don't like brushing my curls, but I do brush my curls. Darren, please pass my tangle teaser. I just want to show them what I use. I do brush my hair with my tangle teaser. There's a bit of hair in there right now with my tangle teaser because it's less breakage. I love this thing. My mother-in-law bought it for me for my birthday, my 25th birthday. Yeah, my 25th birthday. That was my first birthday here in Cape Town. She got it for me. It's something I really wanted, and I don't even think she knew that I really wanted it. It was just like part of the little gift box she got me, which was really cool. And it's my brand colors, black and pink, y'all. Okay, right, let's get started. So first, I used to only use the Curler La by Aunt Jackie's, but then obviously after I started using the Curler La, I really realized what a good product this is, and I really want to try out other products as well. And all thanks to my colourful friend, Colourful Sherry. She's the one that recommended Aunt Jackie's, and I thought, okay, well, let me give it a try, you know, because she's like all about natural hair, and I get all my advice from her. Definitely go follow her page. I will tag it here somewhere. I'll put it up, and you can follow her on Insta. And yeah, she recommended this to me, and she's also like She gives me all my tips for my natural hair, and she's also doing she'll be doing a lot of tips and tricks and stuff with natural hair on her pages too. So this was the first one I started using. It was the Curl La by Aunt Jackie's, and then I decided, wow, I really want to try this Quench, which is a leave-in conditioner. The Curl La is more of a defining curl custard, and I used it my first jar I used finisher. This is my second one. So I bought this Quench about a week or two ago, 2 weeks ago, when we did our toiletry shopping this month. It's absolutely amazing. It smells amazing. All Aunt Jackie's products just smell so good. Darren says it smells like sour apple. Hey, you say it smells like a sour apple. It's just it's so good. So basically what I'll do right now is just I'll take a little bit of this, squeeze it into my hand. You don't even need a lot. And I've got thick hair. Woo! I just dropped it on my t-shirt dress. Oh my gosh! It's amazing because my hair just soaks up all the moisture, literally. You know, when you quench your thirst, and that's probably why it's called Quench, because that's exactly what my hair does. My hair's just like... It literally does it. I can feel my hair doing it. I can feel it, like my... Okay, let me just get this off away. Oh, well, I'm going to walk around in this t-shirt dress all day. It literally just sucks up all the moisture. Like, the frizz is just like... Oh, hey! I'm quenched now. I mean, look at that. Just look at that. That was like this little bit of product. That little bit for this thick hair.
Yes.
Guys, like, I can't. I'm amazed. I just love Aunt Jackie so much. My brother uses it. My dad uses it. I don't know if it's unisex. I was just like, guys, you need to try this stuff. This stuff is amazing. Because, I really messed up myself. Because a leave-in conditioner in your hair that's like not a leave-in or anything like that is not good for your hair. It like kind of dries it out. This stuff, bruh, it is amazing. Anyway, so you can see what my hair looks like now after I just put on that little bit. So I put the Quench on and then use the Curl La Defining Curl Custard. Because the smell, all Aunt Jackie's products just smell so good. I don't know what it smells like a grape, a sour. This one smells more like a sour grape, eh? That one more sour apple. So like.
Is that the point of
so you
it?
can
To have
eat it.
a fruity flavor.
I don't know. Some Curl La.
How much would you put in your hair?
Also just like a little, very little. Like I don't even put that much. I really don't put that much.
Just a dollar.
Yeah. Like in the center of my hand. Normally when I do conditioner, it's like squeeze and then it's like this big amount. But with this, it's like just a little bit in the middle of the palm of my hand.
Teaspoon.
And like, yeah, and I just pop it on. I'm going to do a little bit more today for the Curl La custard. So let's say that's double the amount. But the curl custard. Curl La, especially on my ends. Because my ends are so dry. Guys, I have not been to the hairdresser in over a year. I was all over here. I've always been like that. Like even as a child growing up, I would only go to the hairdresser like once every year or once every 2 years. But obviously I know I needs to go for healthy hair. Cut your ends every 6 weeks or every 2 months or whatever. But don't leave it for as long as that. Okay, so what I normally do is I let it air dry because I don't have a curl diffuser or hair dryer, but curl diffusers are great. I think it's a diffuser. Imagine it's infuser. No, but I don't think it's infuser. It's a curl diffuser. That big thing with the fangs, and then if you have one of those, use one of those, or just let it air dry, and after it air dries, you tie it up. So I'm gonna let my hair air dry right now. And then I'll tie it up later for you guys to see how I create this specific look that everyone has been asking me about.
And now it's my turn to
The
show.
light, homie, the light. Could you not come around the other side?
I could have, but this
Oh, this is Darren's hair, as
this
you can
is
see.
my. I'm trying to get it onto her level, but it's not curly.
But you've
So
got nice
stay
straight
tuned
hair.
for my hair tutorial.
You've got nice straight hair. I always wanted straight hair as a
Look at
kid
that,
growing
huh?
up. Even in high school, I just wanted, you know, I still like my straight hair. But I mean, I've really come to love the light.
Oh, sorry.
I've really come to love my curly hair thanks to Aunt Jackie's. My hair is all nice and air dried. It did take a couple of hours. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna tie it up so I can make that half tied up piece on top, and then the rest is loose.
The hair looks soft though.
It's very soft, you must feel it.
Very
It's
soft.
soft. Boom. And there you go, little half pony. I like doing this to my hair so my hair is like not too like poofy. And sometimes I do. Sometimes there's no path. Sometimes there is nice and thingy. I got a path. And voila, that is how I do my updo, or my half updo, half ponytail, half loose.
You do.
That's how I do my do. That's how I do my do. Hey.
Hashtag do my do.
Yes. 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 I just feel like this controls the poofiness a bit. There we go. That is my curly hairdo for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know either in my DMs or in the comments below. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below as well. Remember to follow me on social media. I will leave my handles in the next slide or in the next frame. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more. Until next time, guys. Bye.